Hello everyone. In this video, I'll guide you through fixing the incredibly annoying unknown player error in League of Legends that locks you out of your profile and prevents matchmaking. This glitch happens when your client loses sync with the Riot servers, but we can easily force it to reconnect. First, log completely out of your League of Legends account and close the Riot client entirely. Open your Windows Task Manager by pressing Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape. Search for any running Riot or League processes and manually end them. Next, press the Windows key plus R, type %localappdata% and hit enter. Locate the Riot Games folder and delete the web cache folder inside to clear out corrupted connection files. Now, right-click your internet icon on the taskbar, open Network Settings, change your adapter options, and switch your DNS servers to Google's public DNS, which is 8.8.8.8. Relaunch the client as administrator, and your profile will load perfectly. Subscribe to the channel for more videos.